Hello, welcome back. Are you ready to learn some more grammar basics today? In the previous video, I taught you about modal verbs. I hope that concept was clear, right? Today, we are going to learn about primary auxiliary verbs. So let's begin. As you already know that verbs are divided into two parts, main verbs and helping verbs, which is also called as auxiliary verb. Now, auxiliary verbs are also divided into two kinds, primary auxiliary verbs and modal verbs. In the previous video, we have known about modal verbs, and in this video, we are going to learn about primary auxiliary verbs. Here is a list of the primary auxiliary verbs, the basic forms, and the other possible forms in present tense and past tense. So three types of primary modal auxiliary verbs are there: be verb, have verb, and do verb. Let's recall the definition of auxiliary verbs once again. An auxiliary verb is a helping verb. Auxiliary verb एक helping verb है. It helps the principal or main verb to form a tense, mood or voice. Some question or negative sentence. So auxiliary verbs help main verbs to form tense, mood और voice. ये question और negative sentence बनाने के लिए भी auxiliary verbs are used. Okay, let's see two examples. I play cricket. In this example, play is the main verb, where in the next sentence I am playing cricket, am is the auxiliary verb and playing is main verb. Here is another example. She finished her work. Here has is auxiliary verb and finished is the main verb. So let's discuss about to be verb और be verb कौन कौन से होते हैं. Be verbs are am is are in present tense and was were in past tense. Am and is का past form है was and are का past form है were. Where should we use am is are? कहाँ कहाँ पे am is are यूज किया जाता है? Am is used with I. Is used with he, she, it or any other singular third person singular number. And for both of them, both of these cases, past tense will be was. Are is used with you, we, they and any other plural noun or pronoun, and the past tense of are is were. Let's see some example. Here are some examples both in present tense and past tense. I am reading now. मैं अभी पढ़ रही हूँ. So am is the primary auxiliary verb and reading is the main verb. Next is he or she is playing. Jolly is helping her mom. You are doing a good job. Similarly, the past form of these sentences are I was reading now, he or she was playing, Jolly was helping her mom, and etc. You should read the other examples by pausing the video. Now you should move on and read about next part, that is to have और have verb. Have verb के कौन कौन से फॉर्म होते हैं? Have, has in present tense and had in past tense. Have and has दोनों का ही past tense है had. Okay, let's talk about where we should use have and has. Have is used with I, you, we, they or any plural noun or pronoun. At the same time, has is used with he, she, it or any other third person singular number. And as I said, for both of them the past tense will be had. Let's talk about some examples. I have made teddy bear. She or he has bought a bag. It has helped me a lot. The past form of these sentences will be I had made teddy bear. She or he had bought a bag. It had helped me a lot. You should read the other sentences which I have not read. Pause the video and read it. And now, to do verb. What are the forms of do? In present tense, forms of to do verb is do and does, and for both of them past tense will be did. Where should we use do? Do is used with I के साथ यूज होता है, you, we, they or any other plural noun or pronoun, and does is used with he, she, it or any other third person singular number. Examples are I do walk every day. She or he does walk every day. In this sentences we can use do as helping verb, but in general speaking we do not use sentences like this. This kind of sentences is shown only to give you example. I do walk every day. ऐसे हम लोग बोलते हैं कि आई वॉक एवरी डे. डू वॉक के साथ ही होता है. ही और शी डज वॉक एवरी डे, इसको बोलेंगे ही और शी वॉक्स एवरी डे. तो वॉक के साथ ही डज वर्ब का वर्ब चला जाएगा. ठीक है. पास्ट टेंस में क्या होता है? आई डिड वॉक एवरी डे और ही और शी डिड वॉक एवरी डे. Need other examples also. Now a very important note for primary auxiliary verb, that only primary auxiliary verbs are used as finite or main verb. जो primary auxiliary verbs होते हैं वो सिर्फ वही primary main verb की तरह भी यूज होते हैं. जैसे I have a car, we do this regularly, they are ready. In the sentences primary auxiliary verbs are used in form of main verb, जो modal verb नहीं करते हैं. Modal verb always is used with main verb, पर primary auxiliary verb जो है वो कभी कभी main verb की तरह भी यूज होते हैं. Okay, so keep note of this. Now I have given a test for you for 5 marks. You can give the example of these sentences and check yourself whether you have understood or not. You can take the screenshot and write these answers, write the question in your copy and solve it. I hope now you have understood the primary auxiliary verbs, and whenever next time you are going to use them, there will be no mistake. I will make more videos for you to teach you about basic grammar lessons. If you like the video, please subscribe, and till the next video, bye bye.